How to do daily Flamazine dressings. If you're doing the dressing for somebody else, then please ensure you've washed your hands before commencing the procedure. If you showered yourself and are applying the dressing, then obviously that doesn't count. First of all, you need to wash the wound. So you need some warm soapy water and soft flannel, and you clean the wound, making sure you remove all the debris and contents of the previous dressing. It's particularly important with Flamazine because the cream only lasts for 24 hours and then it becomes inactive, but it can form a bit of a layer, so it's important to remove all the old cream, otherwise it stops the new cream from getting to the wound where it needs to be. So then once you've washed the wound, you need to pat it dry with a clean dry towel. Then you're ready to apply the dressing. So you take your tube of Flamazine, you can either put it directly onto the wound and smooth it with your fingers. You need quite a generous layer, or if it's too painful for the patient, then you can use some, apply it to the Gelinet, which is the next layer. With the Gelinet, take one layer of paper off first. You can apply the Flamazine. Smooth it again with your finger, then remove the other piece of paper from the back, and then apply the Gelinet onto the wound, making sure you cover all the edges. With Gelinet, you should always apply a double layer, otherwise it dries out quite quickly and will get stuck to the wound. And that's your second layer. Okay, just going to clean my hands because it's a bit greasy. Then you're ready to apply some dry gauze, which again apply over all the edges of the wound and the dressing. Then you will have either been given bandage or plasters. If you've been given bandage, you need to gently wrap the bandage round, not making it too tight because you don't want to compromise the circulation to the foot. Or if you were doing this on a hand, again, not too tight around the hand or arm. Make sure everything's covered, and then once that's finished, you can either cut the excess or secure it with some sticky tape. If you have been given plasters, and once you get to the dry gauze stage, then you take your plasters, take off the backing and apply them over the gauze. Again, just making sure everything is sealed all around the edges.